Hello.
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 Hey, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm MD Hassan.
Okay, Hassan. Okay, so I am linking the domain to the external IP address of the target proxy. It's called webmap HTTPS. When I insert, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, now can you share the screen? I can't see that.
Okay, now you can see it.
Yeah, I can see that now.
Okay, so I'm linking to the external IP address of the target proxy in the load balancer. And if I'm currently trying to get directly to this IP address and I'm getting empty response, I've done the common fixes for this error. And so I've flushed DNS, I've reset the network controller, I deactivated all Chrome plugins, everything hasn't solved it. And so the way it's set up currently is that the GoDaddy domain links through an A record to the target proxy. Hold on.
Okay. Where are you from actually?
Yeah, so it's linking through the target proxy, and in the load balancer, I'm redirecting the URL in the external facing load balancer to
There is two IP.
the WordPress
two IP
to the
showing on
WordPress
there.
site to the WordPress site, which is this. And so, and I've also created the SSL certificate in Google Cloud.
Okay.
And I've tried with using the name servers from Cloud DNS in GoDaddy, and without them, just to the A record, I would get the same errors in different variations. And so currently I have here also an A record in the Cloud DNS linking to the IP address of the external facing target proxy, and I have the regular DNS entries here.
Okay. If you share the login details, then I can try to fix that, because on this way how I can explain that and how I can do that.
Yeah, sure. Can you share your screen so that I can see what you're doing?
You mean I need to share my screen? Then you need to hire me for
Yes.
a remotely job, because I have also able for remotely work. As you create the 6 euro, that's not a possible to showing you remotely and everything, because you know about that. We have a working policy.
Okay, so I didn't catch the last part. You're saying that there's a working policy at Freelancer?
Freelancer.com working policy. That's why they are created two type of work. Like as you create, that was a fixed price job. The other part is remotely, for that was the hourly job.
Okay, so you'll do this job now, right? Because it is
Yeah, I can
urgent.
do
I gotta.
that if you share me the login details. Otherwise, if you want to do it in remotely or share my screen, then you need to hire me for hourly rate. You can see my hourly rate also there. I hope you understood that.
Yeah.
Please don't share the login details here. If you share the login details in freelancer.com, then that will be for secure for both.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, I got that. Let me start. Give me few minutes, let me log in and start that. Okay, I will update you in few minutes later.
Okay.
Thank you so much.